Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the Hank and Henry mystery box. I had this for now like a couple weeks. So, if you don't know, my mother had just passed. So, I haven't made any videos in a little bit. So, if you want to see what I got in my Hank and Henry mystery box, then just keep on watching. All right, I believe that there were 3 different price ranges. I got the one in the middle, which was $67, and with taxes, it was like a little over $70. I didn't want to get the big one because I wasn't sure. I never got a Hank and Henry mystery box, and I didn't want to get the, I don't know. I just got the middle one. I did see that he did sign it. I did order it like with pre-sale. A lot of times with Hank and Henry, if you get anything in pre-sale, he typically does sign it. But for me, I'll probably just throw this away. I don't tend to keep a lot of boxes. I don't know, unless I keep it for like a giveaway, and then maybe one of you guys would like it. I don't know, but enough talking. So let's open her up and see. I haven't watched any unboxings. I haven't really been on social media too much. So I have no idea what is in it. Oh my God, this thing's hard to open. All right, so there we go. It has the owls on there because he is a night owl like myself. And that's what it looks like when it's open. And this says, be yourself, create magic, pay it forward, amen. And we are all the night owls, Hank and Henry. XO Hank and Henry. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing, I think these are stickers. Hank and Henry. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Maybe one of you guys would want it. And I guess for like Thanksgiving, the fall. So it's really pretty. I'll actually probably keep these squigglies for a future giveaway because I think it's beautiful. All right, and then I don't know what this is. If this is another sticker. So we have 3 stickers. I don't know what I'm doing with stickers. I'm 43. I don't know. Okay, and then we have this pop socket with his face on there. I'll definitely put this in a future giveaway. I don't tend to use pop sockets, so maybe one of you guys will. And let's see if there's a card. I don't see a card in here. So after I took everything off, that's what it looks like. So I don't have prices or anything like that. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. So this is the Makeup Institute. So if you don't know what this is, so Hank and Henry, which is one person, one of his like his alter ego, he started like a school, a makeup school, and the makeup line that they use is the Makeup Institute. So it is his line. So that's good that we get to try some of that makeup. So that's what it looks like. And on the back is the ingredients right there. Maybe this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, so this looks like a blush palette. Let me open it up and see. I wish there was a card. Oh, it's a lipstick palette. Oh, I don't tend to use these too much. I'm definitely gonna put this in a future giveaway. And then you have some lip liners. So I'm not gonna swatch this or anything. But I do know a lot of makeup artists. This is good for somebody that does landscape, you know, that does a lot of people with different colors. It has all different for skin tones. So that's good. The next thing, again, we got from the Makeup Institute is some kind of palettes right there. And on back is the ingredients. So let's see what this is. Maybe this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure. All right, so it's packaged. It's very cheap. This is like the old Morphe packaging. Remember that cheap packaging, the plasticky one? That's what it feels like. Oh. So this is cream. So this is a cream like contour and bronzer. I really don't use cream. So this is good, again, if you're a makeup artist and it has for different skin tones. I'm going to definitely put this in a giveaway because it's just a personal preference. I just don't use cream products. So I'll put that away nicely when we're done. So I wish we had an eyeshadow palette for the price, but there's no eyeshadow palettes. All right, the next thing I got are 2 eyelashes, which I don't use eyelashes, but my daughter does. So I love getting eyelashes for her. This is Venus Flytrap, and this is I can't read it. Fling, maybe? So there's that one. With this light, man, let me turn this light down a little bit and see if you guys can see. So that's really pretty. I know with this plastic, it's probably, I wonder if I can, no. And then this one is really pretty. It's very like long. I don't know what you can see. You know what? I'm going to take the plastic off since I'm giving this to my daughter. And yeah, let me cut it. That way you guys can see what it looks like better. And then once she tries them on, I'll let you know how the eyelashes are. All right, so here we go. That's what that looks like. It's really, really pretty. And then, so that was Venus Flytrap. And then let me open up this one. This is, I don't know what it says. Okay, and then we have these ones that are really, really pretty. Again, the packaging is really, really cheap. It's the cheap plastic, but I know he's just starting out. And these are, again, for the makeup artists so that are in school. So I get it. So you have two of them. Then we have a mascara. The mascaras, I feel like there's like a piece of hair. The mascaras are pretty good. He only has one mascara. This is, I forget what it's called. Stick With Me. I forget what it's called. But the only thing is, I've seen other unboxings of the other mystery boxes, and you always put this in. We also got this in a BoxyCharm. And when he had his subscription box, I think he had for like two subscription boxes, and then he canceled them. You had it in there. So I wish it was something else, like a brush or something, especially for the $70 price range, right? But it is a good mascara, and I'll put this in a future giveaway. Then we have two beauty blenders where it looks like he did sign. And these are the small ones. They look like a little triangle here, which I'll definitely use this. I think, I love beauty blenders. So let's take one out and see. Oh, they feel very soft. And once you wet them, they'll get bigger. And what I like about this is it's perfect to go like, you see how this tip is? It's perfect to go right in your eye. And then I like this flat surface here. So, you know, you can push the concealer in. Also, if you want to put like powder right here to kind of define your contour. I don't know. I'm just glad. I'm glad you got two of these. But I wish we got like maybe a big one and a small one. I don't know. Am I overreacting? I think because the price is so expensive. Okay. And the last two things are his lipsticks. And he's got really good lipsticks. All right. So this is a matte and Henrietta, I think that's what it says. I'm not sure what this says. So let's open it up. I'm really happy to get these lipsticks. Ooh, she bright. I think this is a metallic. This is good for Christmas. I normally wouldn't swatch it because I don't wear, I love his doe foot applicators. I don't tend to go for that, but Christmas time, and it's not a metallic, I don't think. Let me do another little swatch so that you can see the color. Right there. It's really, really pretty. I think he has really good formula. It's comfortable, so I'm happy to get that. And then we have 1985. So let's see what that is. And then we have a very light one, which if that's too deep for you, you can always put this on top of that to lighten it up. That's really pretty. Right there. So like I said, you could put it on top of that one. And they smell like cake. I love this smell. And that's everything. So let's recap what we got. And then I want you guys to let me know, do you think it's worth the $67 plus shipping? All right, so we have two lipsticks. And I don't mind getting his lipsticks. I think these are like $17 or $18 a piece. All right, so we have that. Then we have two little beauty blenders. I know these are new to his line, so I'm happy to get at least two, you know, so that's good. We have two lashes, and I'll give these to my daughter. And then we have the two different palettes. So we have the lip palette, and then we have the cream, like contour bronzer palettes. I wish we got more things from his line, the Hank and Henry, not the Makeup Institute. Like, I'm glad to try one. I mean, I won't use either one of these, but I wish there was like maybe an eyeshadow palette from the Makeup Institute. It seems like, oh, I'm sorry, and the mascara. To me, it seems like he's putting in stuff that's not really selling. I can see if you are in makeup school, you might get this, but an average person like me to get a subscription box, we wouldn't choose these, you know, so, or if you go to his line, you're not going to buy these. So it looks like maybe things that don't sell. I'm not sure, just for the price, you know, because I do subscription boxes, you typically want to at least double, if not triple the price. And for $70, you'd have to get at least $140 worth of value for most people to be happy. I don't know the prices on there. Maybe it is. I'm just talking about the items in here. I don't know. Let me know. What do you think? I'm not sure if I would try his mystery boxes again, maybe one more time and see. But if you got this, let me know, and let me know what you got. Did we all get the same thing? Did we all get different things? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Please rate this video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. The more thumbs down I get, then I know not to do these Hank and Henry mystery boxes. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know down below how your day is going. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all my future videos. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.